Welcome to Rev Sports. It's finally the day that all Indian and Pakistani fans have been waiting for. Two neighbors will take on each other. Finally, it's the day. I'm Gargi Raut and with me is Shubhayan Chakrabarti and Rohit Juglan. Shubhayan, I'll start with you. India versus Pakistan. It is the match of every World Cup. Finally, will Pakistan get their mauka?
Welcome to Nassau County.
Welcome to Nassau County. Well, I don't think there could be a better setup in India than shooting this preview at Eden Gardens. But you said it is the rivalry, but I doubt whether in 2024...
For fans it is.
For fans it is, but cricketing wise, I don't think the India-Pakistan rivalry or this matchup gives the same kind of kick it used to give during the early 2000s or even mid 2010s when Shahid Afridi, Shoaib Malik, Mohammad Hafiz and all used to play. But nowadays I think it has become a one-sided contest. Yes, Pakistan defeated India in 2021, but apart from that, I don't think Pakistan has even come close to...
In 2022 also there was
in 2022 also, yes, they did.
Asia Cup.
Yes, Asia Cup. But otherwise in World Cups, I think it has been a one-sided rivalry. Pick up the history in ODI World Cups, in T20 World Cups. India have always dominated, barring that one super over. I think it has been one-sided contests in T20 World Cups. But yes, again, and now we are less talking about Pakistan due to their defeat to USA. But history, if we are talking about history, then Pakistan have always made a strong comeback whenever they have their back against the wall. So I'm expecting a good match. Yes, people are not giving Pakistan any chance, but don't rule them out, especially when the odds are against them.
Pakistan are unpredictable.
Yes.
We've seen that before. Or Rohit, how are you looking at this match? क्या लगता है? Is it मतलब जैसे शुभायन ने कहा कि जो 2000s में जो मैचअप होता था इंडिया पाकिस्तान का, क्या वो अब रह गया है? वो एसेंस चला गया है इंडिया पाकिस्तान राइवलरी में से?
आई थिंक वो तो चला गया है. अगर आप उन दोनों टीमों को देखोगे, डिफरेंट टीम्स हैं. बैलेंस बहुत अच्छा था पाकिस्तान की टीम का, इंडिया की टीम का, क्योंकि वो वक्त जब हम थोड़े मतलब और ज़्यादा मतलब पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे या जब बहुत ज़्यादा जवान रहे होंगे, उस वक्त पर अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको ये देखने को मिलेगा कि पाकिस्तान वन साइडेड जीत जाता था और हम हार जाते थे. आज भी अगर आप इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान के स्टैट्स उठाओगे, कौन कितने ज़्यादा हारा है, कौन कितने ज़्यादा जीता है, मुझे लगता है बहुत नेक टू नेक होगा, क्योंकि उस वक्त पर पाकिस्तान के पास बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांटेज था. और उसके बाद फिर हम थोड़ा सा चीज़ों को बेहतर करने में आए. और अच्छी बात ये रही कि अगर हमारा आप देखोगे अर्ली पार्ट ऑफ 2000s इंडिया ने डोमिनेट करना शुरू करा, लेकिन उसके बाद पाकिस्तान की टीम नीचे ही लगती चली गई. और जो बड़े मैच का प्रेशर होता है ना, पहले तो हम कहते थे चलो यार कम से कम मैच 50-50 स्टार्ट हो रहा है. वी न्यू कि यार वर्ल्ड कप्स में ये प्रेशर हैंडल नहीं कर पाते हैं. इस मैदान ने तो देखा हुआ है 2016. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो चीज़ पाकिस्तान के लिए सबसे बड़ी थी तब, अब वो भी है. और उसके साथ साथ ये भी है कि पाकिस्तान के पास प्लेयर्स कहाँ हैं यार उस तरीके से. तो वो चीज़ मुझे एक लगती है कि उस चीज़ ने एसेंस खो दिया है इंडिया पाकिस्तान का.
बिल्कुल. दिस इज व्हाट वी थिंक, बट व्हाट डू द फैंस थिंक इन द यूएसए? टेक अ लुक. हियर्स ईशान एंड देबाशीष टॉकिंग टू द फैंस आउटसाइड ऑफ द Nassau County Stadium.
हेलो, दिस इज ईशान फ्रॉम रेव स्पोर्ट्स और आज मेरे साथ है बहुत ही स्पेशल फ़ैन, सुपर फ़ैन जो हर मैच में आते हैं. सुधीर भाई, थैंक यू सो मच जुड़ने के लिए. पहले आप बताएं, न्यूयॉर्क पहुंच गए आप, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि टीम इंडिया की सपोर्ट के लिए T20 वर्ल्ड कप में हमारे भारत रत्न मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन तेंदुलकर सर की वजह से आज टीम इंडिया को सपोर्ट करने के लिए अमेरिका और वेस्ट इंडीज़ पूरी सीरीज़ में रहेंगे. तो ये सबसे बड़ी मैच है इंडिया पाकिस्तान, जिसको हाई वोल्टेज का मैच दर्जा दिए जाते हैं. तो हम चाहेंगे कि ये टीम इंडिया 2007 की जीत रिपीट करे. और ये बहुत अच्छी मौका है. और ये बहुत धूप भी तो अच्छी है. हम चाहेंगे कि ये धूप कल तक बरकरार रहे और टीम इंडिया पाकिस्तान पे हर साल की बात ही इस साल भी जीत दर्ज करे.
क्या बात है सुधीर भाई, क्या बात है. आई थिंक यही उम्मीद रहेगी. बट इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान बहुत ही बड़ा मैच है, बहुत सारे लोग आने वाले हैं. आपके क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है? आपको लग रहा है कि इंडिया का जीतना मुश्किल होगा कि थोड़ा मतलब इंडियन टीम के फॉर्म से वजह से आई थिंक चांसेस बढ़ चुके हैं अभी?
देखिए, अभी हाल में ही टीम इंडिया पूरी T20 मतलब IPL मैच में व्यस्त थे. तो अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस जितने भी हमारे प्रमुख बल्लेबाज है, जैसे हम बात करें तो रोहित शर्मा जी की, उन्होंने ही स्टार्ट में अटैक पारी खेलते हैं. तो हमें काफ़ी उम्मीदें हैं ओपनर से. अगर ओपनर मुझे अच्छे रन दे दिए तो स्वाभाविक है कि हम 200 प्लस में जाएंगे और टीम इंडिया पाकिस्तान पर आसान जीत दर्ज करेगी। जिस प्रकार अभी हाल में ही 2023 में जो वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम में रखे गए, आसान जीत टीम इंडिया ने पाकिस्तान पे की, तो उस प्रकार हम चाहेंगे कि टीम इंडिया के लिए बेहतर है और 2007 रिपीट करने का ज़बरदस्त मौका है।
थैंक यू सुधीर भाई, आपसे बात करने बहुत अच्छा लगा। एक बार यस, ये तो
शंख नहीं, ये है जंगे ऐलान, टीम इंडिया सबसे महान। ये शंखनाद कर टीम इंडिया को हौसला बढ़ाइए।
क्या बात है, क्या ही बात है।
भारत माता की जय।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है। पहली बार इतने सालों के बाद हमको मैच देखने मिल रहा है, वरना यहाँ तो कहाँ ही क्रिकेट मैच होता है। तो बहुत एक्साइटेड है, वरना सिर्फ टीवी पे देखने मिलता है। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमको टिकट नहीं मिली, बहुत ट्राई किया, बट वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड आई होप इंडिया विंस।
Finally, cricket is in America, so we are very excited. हाँ, बहुत definitely होना चाहिए. So it's a good sport, and people are also engrossed in it. So it's definitely a good idea to bring cricket in US. It's different, yeah. Nobody expected it. Kohli opening in IPL, so I think that gave him a start. So it's good to see that they both are coming in and leading it.
he's a nice kid, like ऋषभ पंत बहुत ही बढ़िया, और बहुत खुशी हुई उनको वापस आके देख के। जो इंसिडेंट हुआ उसके बाद सोचा नहीं था कि वो ऐसा कमबैक करेंगे, एंड जो कमबैक किया उन्होंने, दैट इज क्वाइट अमेजिंग।
पाकिस्तान तो नहीं जीतेगा, इंडिया, इंडिया।
I think India's gonna win.
How excited are you?
Very excited.
And who are you excited about?
India win against Pakistan.
Do you have a favorite player?
Virat Kohli. Yeah, obviously India's gonna win. So I think India's gonna win. My favorite player is Kohli. Virat Kohli. Yeah.
Maybe opening with Rohit Sharma.
Yeah.
Do you like that opening pair?
Yeah, I do. I think that's very powerful.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
what about Bumrah? Do you think he's going to rip through the Pakistan?
Oh yeah, he'd definitely get 5 wickets.
So India's going to win for sure?
India's gonna win.
Guys, India Pakistan बड़ी मैच है, क्या लग रहा है यार? बहुत मजा आने वाला है।
Definitely India is going to win. Come here to see Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. So
What about you?
really excited,
How excited are you?
very excited. We came all the way from Missouri to support Indian team, and this is the biggest game of all time. We don't care if India make it in a final or not, but if we win this game, that means we win the World Cup, no matter what. We saw that 2 days ago against USA, so they're not even close to the Bumrah, Siraj, and all our bowler.
You know, the India is number 1 in T20 plus in ODI and Test cricket. So we have maintained that number for a long time. And you know, this is the biggest rivalry game versus Pakistan. So I think India going to on the top tomorrow game. So we have very high hope and came from all the way from Missouri and supporting our Indian team. So go India.
Alright guys, India Pakistan. First time in New York. What's the feeling like?
We're actually both from here. We live in New York, so we're both big cricket fans too. So them being in our backyard, it's super nice that we can take a train, come see them. Obviously easier than coming to India as much as we love India. So very excited.
Who do you think is going to win?
India.
India for sure.
India
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma playing together. How does that look? We enjoy that pair working together.
Yes.
Yeah, it should be a good combo. I feel like the previous match, like first day jitters, like the run out. So I feel today they'll be more prepared and ready for the pitch as well. So
Well, rivalry aside, if there's something that is being talked about just as much as the players, it is the pitch. Shubhayan, I'll start with you. As much as we like to talk about the India-Pakistan rivalry, this time around it's quite different because we're not talking about players, we're not talking about matchups, we're talking about the most unpredictable thing, which is the pitch.
how badly will the Pakistani and the Indian team would be thinking that काश ये मैच यहाँ पे होता काश
हाँ,
ईडन गार्डन
ये
में
तो है।
मैच होता, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली इट हैज बिकम डेंजरस. सी वी वांट टू सी, वी हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू सी competitive pitches which assist both batters and bowlers, and especially after the IPL where 200, 220, 250s were being scored pretty normally, and that's why there was talk that T20 cricket should also have competitive pitches, but not like this. This is extremely dangerous. This is extremely dangerous, and even on match day -2 we saw Rohit Sharma being hit on his left thumb by a throw down delivery, and during the match against Ireland we saw Rohit being hit on his left shoulder, Rishabh Pant being hit on his left elbow, and it is ultimately becoming dangerous. What if a Virat Kohli or a Rohit Sharma or for that matter any player gets injured and gets badly hurt during that match, or even for that matter from the Pakistani team, then the entire onus will come on the ICC, whether they would be able to take the responsibility for the well-being of the player. Yes, they have given a statement saying that the pitch at the Nassau County have not played as per the expectations, but that is solely completely on the ICC, because USA Cricket Board does not have any inputs on creating the pitches, drop-in pitches. It is a third-party organization which created this drop-in pitch from Adelaide soil, which was made in Florida, but the way it is playing, I think nobody expected the way it has been playing so far. But hopefully India versus Pakistan will produce a bit of a better pitch, which will be at least safe for the players and not put their well-being in danger. So hope for the best, but yes, it is not an ideal build-up where we are not talking about matchups or players. We are just talking about pitch and the conditions.
I mean, at this point, I think batters going in, walking onto the field, will be thinking about the pitch and not the bowler. I think this will be one of those times when they're more scared of what will happen on the pitch than what the bowler will do. But Rohit, जैसे आपने मुझे ऑफ कैमरा बताया था कि इस बार शायद नई पिच यूज़ हो रही है. आप अगर हमारे व्यूअर्स को डिटेल्स देते हैं, क्या चल रहा है पिच पे, क्या नई पिच यूज़ हो रही है, क्या पुरानी पिच यूज़ हो रही है, क्या हो रहा है?
देखिए, फ़ायदा उसका कुछ नहीं है, नई पिच यूज़ हो पुरानी पिच यूज़ हो, वो ढक के 3 बात बोलते हैं हिंदी में कि बात एक ही जैसी है. क्योंकि विकेट मिट्टी वही है, उसको डाला उसी जगह पर गया है, उसको बनाया एक ही आदमी ने, उसको जो एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशंस मिल रही है वो एक ही है, उसको जो टाइम ड्यूरेशन मिला है वो एक ही है. या तो आप ऐसा बोलते कि नहीं यार ये जो विकेट है ना ये 2 महीने पहले लगा दी गई थी, तब तो मैं समझता कि चीज़ें जो है वो बदल रही हैं. बट सारी विकेट्स एक साथ लेट डाउन करी गई हैं, सारी विकेट में एक तरह का फॉल्ट आपको नज़र आ रहा है. अब अचानक से ये विकेट, अचानक से आपको वानखेड़े का विकेट मिल जाए तो भाई बहुत ही बढ़िया है, लेकिन ऐसा होना मतलब बहुत रेयरिटी है.
अब कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन देखो ना, साउथ अफ्रीका श्रीलंका वाला मैच में बिल्कुल बॉल बाउंस नहीं कर रही थी, स्पिनर्स के लिए मदद थी. इंडिया आयरलैंड में उसका कंप्लीट कॉन्ट्रास्ट की बॉल 4 मीटर लेंथ से इतना ऊपर बाउंस कर रही,
मतलब वो आपको दोहरा उछाल देखने को मिल रहा है. तो वही जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो शुभेंदा ने भी कहा कि आप इस विकेट पे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पाओगे. सबसे बड़ी बात होती है, एक बैटर मतलब अपनी फॉर्म से जूझ रहा हो, अलग तरह का स्ट्रगल है, लेकिन एक बैटर अपने शॉट्स इसलिए रोक दे क्योंकि मुझे इस विकेट के टप्पे का वो नहीं है, पता नहीं है, तो फिर आप क्रिकेट फिर गंदी देखते हो. गंदी मतलब आपको बल्लेबाज अलग ही तरह का स्ट्रगल करता हुआ दिखाई देगा. आप बोलोगे यार रोहित शर्मा ऐसे तो नहीं खेलता था, विराट कोहली ऐसे तो नहीं कर सकता, इतनी बार बीट तो नहीं हो सकता. तो वो पता क्या करता है, क्रिकेट का मजा खराब कर देता है. और मुझे लगता है यही होने वाला है नसाउ काउंटी में.
रोहित गार्गी, आई थिंक मैंने विराट को जब उनका बैट पैच भी चल रहा था तब भी काफ़ी नेट सेशंस देखे जहाँ पे ही हैज़ लुक्ड एक्सट्रीमली फ्लुएंट. बट आई थिंक ये पहली बार मैं शायद लास्ट डिकेड एंड सो में देख रहा हूँ, एटलीस्ट जब से मेरा जर्नलिस्टिक करियर स्टार्ट हुआ है तब से शायद मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ जहाँ पे विराट कोहली नेट्स पे भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. दैट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रैक्टिस पिचेस गिवन टू द इंडियन टीम.
एग्जैक्टली.
और ये भी काफ़ी सोचने वाली बात है कि जब भी बैड फॉर्म जो हम कहते हैं, इट्स नेवर अबाउट टेक्निक और ये सब, वो खेल अच्छा रहे होते हैं, बस रन नहीं बन रहे होते. इट्स अ मेंटल ब्लॉक. बट अगर कोई विराट कोहली के स्टैचर का प्लेयर, इफ ही इज स्ट्रगलिंग इन द नेट्स, देन दैट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. बट दैट्स व्हाट वी थिंक अबाउट द पिच इज वेयर कंसर्न. बट व्हाट इज रोहित शर्मा एंड बाबर आजम थिंकिंग अबाउट द पिच? टेक अ लुक.
Hi, this is Ishan from Rev Sports alongside Devashish Sen. Devashish, the press conference took place yesterday, the Indian press conference and the Pakistani press conference. The Pakistani press conference was a bit of a disappointment. We'll get to that. Let's talk about the Indian press conference, the highlights. Why don't we just go on and discuss that? You were part of that press conference. Why don't you go tell our viewers what were some of the key takeaways?
Yeah, obviously, we are only going to concentrate on the wicket. Obviously, Rohit Sharma was definitely asked about the wicket, how he's going to behave, having played on on a warm-up game as well as the first game against Ireland. Obviously, Rohit did say that yes, there have been moments where it has been concerning, getting hit on the arm. Rishabh Pant also got hit by one of the deliveries that took off from the wicket, uneven bounces. But then Rohit made a very valid point. Obviously, he said that yes, we have to face such blows. Means obviously we are representing the country and we have to accept the conditions what is on offer. But talking of the wicket, they have the Indian captain in the press conference had said that he had no idea whatsoever on which wicket it will be played. The match will be played. Obviously, in the last game we saw what happened, how the wickets behaved. Rohit himself got hit in one of the deliveries and he had to retire after scoring a brilliant 52. Rishabh Pant was also hit by one of the deliveries that just took over. So the Indian team management is not too bothered as to what the wicket will be on offer. Means the body language of the team is very positive. And the Indian captain has made it a point that obviously come what may, whatever the situation is, whatever the condition is, means we are not going to think too much about it, rather than focusing on what we know, what the three departments of the game, be it batting, bowling and fielding. That is what will win you matches, and it's not about contribution for one or two individual. It has to be a team effort with contributions from everyone. Means obviously then only we can do well. Obviously from the Pakistan team, Gary Kirsten did turn up for the press conference.
Very disappointing, right?
Yes, and Gary, in fact, the Pakistan coach did had a look at the wicket, and he did visit the ground before the training session yesterday, and he also reckoned that and he was asked whether India will have the advantage having been here in New York and having played on these wickets and 2 matches here. And he said he in fact started asking the scribe who questioned him, means, do you think so? Means obviously because see, the thing is that both the teams will be playing on the same wicket.
You're right.
So rather than thinking too much into wickets, the conditions, means obviously they have to accept the challenges and move on. Means obviously, and the fact that toss is going to be hugely important.
It's going to be massive.
It's going to be massive. Both Rohit and Gary Kirsten somewhat.
Do you think the toss will help? The team that wins the toss will
exactly.
the winning chances?
Exactly. Whichever team is winning the toss here is deciding to bowl first, so as to utilize the conditions initially, because the matches here still starting at 10:30 a.m. and we have got some insights as to on which wicket the match will be played. It is we were told that it will be the same wicket on which the South Africa game is being played yesterday. So, but then again, once again, South Africa also lost a few quick wickets. So there is a lot to offer. I mean, when it comes to on playing on this wicket, at least initially there is some seam movement. There is some ball that is climbing on the batters from a good length spot. There are some ball that is skipping though. So these will go in the minds of the batters from both the sides, and both the teams in all probability will be packed with fast bowlers. Obviously Pakistan have
from both ends,
them. India too might play an extra seamer in Shivam Dube. Obviously we know Hardik Pandya is also there, so you never know. Means obviously Rohit did mention that he will take a final decision after having a look at the wicket before picking the playing 11. So a lot more focus on the wicket, how he's going to play. Obviously ICC has done its best in the last few days so as to make the conditions better, make the wicket better for both the teams. But then eventually it will boil down to how it plays
out on that particular day.
The teams adjust to the conditions.
Devashish, before we end this segment, I just wanted to ask you, Gary Kirsten mentioned that the loss after that US defeat would not be in the minds of the Pakistani team. But tell me something, do you really believe that when you're going into a game against India, this must be playing in the back of their minds? They lose this out.
Yeah, absolutely, and that is why, and it was when you could actually see from the body language from both the teams, where Indian captain Rohit Sharma attended the pre-match press conference. It was Pakistan did not send Babar Azam, or rather I would say Babar Azam opted to step out, being confronting their reporters from his own country. Means obviously, and it itself shows that he is under a lot of pressure. Obviously, we know this is a big match for both the teams. For Pakistan more importantly, because they have to win this match to stay in the tournament.
Absolutely. And on that note, thank you for those who have joined. This was the press conference update, and we'll be giving you the regular updates as long as the matches are played, whether it's a press conference, weather updates, and whatever comes your way. We'll be sending it through Rev Sports. So make sure you share, like, and subscribe. We need all the help that we need, because this is the only way we grow. Thank you. This is Ishan and Debashish signing off from Rev Sports.
Even though India and Pakistan is the biggest rivalry in ICC tournaments in World Cups, Pakistan's recent form is concerning, and like we talked about before in the show, it may be losing its essence. But रोहित, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी मैं, ये जो हार हुई है पाकिस्तान की यूएसए के अगेंस्ट, इसके बाद सोशल मीडिया पे एक्सपर्ट्स जो भी कहो, सबका यही कहना है कि अब तो इंडिया डोमिनेट करेगी ये गेम।
मैं इस थॉट प्रोसेस के साथ नहीं जा रहा हूँ जो सोशल मीडिया पर हो रहा है। जस्ट मेरा कहना ये है कि पाकिस्तान को कई बार इस तरह की चीज़ों की आदत लग चुकी है। अब उनको थोड़ा सा आयरलैंड से हारना होता है, उनको थोड़ा जिम्बाब्वे से हारना होता है,
मोटिवेशन
उनको चाहिए होता है कि भाई हमें गरियाया जाए सोशल मीडिया पर, हमें अलग अलग तरह के ताने मारे जाएं, हम पे मीम बने, हमको लोग बिल्कुल पूरी तरीके से मतलब हमें ज़मींदोज़ कर दें, अंदर कर दें, ज़मीन के अंदर कर दें, और फिर हम निकल कर दिखाएंगे कि देखो भाई, जिसको तुमने सोचा था दफना दिया, उसको तुमने बेसिकली क्या है कि अंकुरित किया था, वो फूट कर ऊपर आएगा और पेड़ बनेगा। तो वो चीज़ मुझे लगता है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी हुई थी 2022 में, जिम्बाब्वे से बहुत बुरी तरीके से हार गए थे, इसी तरीके का मजाक बना था। इससे ज़्यादा इस बार तो यूट्यूब में लोगों के कम नंबर्स आए, उस समय पर बहुत तगड़े नंबर्स आए। तो मैं ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि सोशल मीडिया पर जो चीज़ें चल रही हैं ठीक है, वो हमारे आपके लिए थोड़ी देर के लिए कंज्यूम करने के लिए अच्छा है, बट मेजर पार्ट जो इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इसका है वो ये है कि पाकिस्तान की टीम क्या सोच रही है इस समय पर। पाकिस्तान की टीम के पास क्या अब ये थॉट प्रोसेस है कि यार अब इससे नीचे क्या जाएंगे, चलो इंडिया के अगेंस्ट करो या मरो खेलते हैं, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। तो कई बार कुछ टीमें होती हैं ऐसी जिन्हें इस तरह की चीज़ें चाहिए होती है, और मैं 3-4 वर्ल्ड कप्स में तो ये देख रहा हूँ कि पाकिस्तान कभी अफगानिस्तान से हार जाता है। तो अफगानिस्तान तो बहुत राइज कर गई है एज ए टीम, बट जिम्बाब्वे से हारना, आयरलैंड से हारना, यूएसए से हारना, और यूएसए देखो, जो मैंने पहले भी कहा, इस बात को अभी भी कहूँगा, यूएसए की टीम को अगर आप कमज़ोर समझ रहे हो तो ये आपकी गलती है। 6 इंडियन प्लेयर्स उसमें खेल रहे हैं, और इंडियन प्लेयर्स मेरे हिसाब से वो इंडियन प्लेयर्स है वो जो ऐसा नहीं है कि बस डोमेस्टिक में टॉप टियर की खेल कर गए। ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई सैयद मुश्ताक का एक मैच खेल रखा है, वो कूच बिहार का एक मैच खेल रखा है, ऐसा नहीं है,
सिक्किम के लिए खेल रखा है भाई,
अच्छे प्लेयर्स हैं।
तो अगर आपने यूएसए की क्रिकेट फॉलो नहीं किया तब तो आपको लगेगा यार यूएसए मतलब 18 रैंक की टीम, पाकिस्तान 6 या 7वें रैंक की टीम,
बांग्लादेश को हरा के आई है,
बांग्लादेश को हरा कर आई है। तो आई थिंक ये सोशल मीडिया के लिए अच्छा है कि भाई अब कोई वो नहीं ना, तो इंडिया इस मैच को ऐसे सोच रही होगी, क्योंकि इंडिया को भी पता है पिछले 4 में से 2 गेम वो जीते हुए हैं हमसे, और मेलबर्न चमत्कार ने जिताया था हमें। तो मुझे लगता है कि इंपॉर्टेंट होगा देखना। मैं पाकिस्तान की टीम को हल्के में नहीं ले रहा हूँ, टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट।
Shubhayan, your opinion on the same?
I think we should not take them lightly, as Rohit clearly said, because Pakistan, we have seen during their history, as I earlier said, that when their back is against the wall, they play the best cricket, and I think that's what they will try to do here also. They have a decent team. Of course, there has been some selection issues in the team. There are question marks on Azam Khan's form, back-to-back ducks. There's question mark on how Mohammad Amir is going to, is he at his best, because it's not the same Amir as he was in 2017. There's a question mark on whether their spin attack is
2016 में भी यहीं पे विराट कोहली ने उन्हें बल्ला गिफ्ट किया था।
बिल्कुल, और वो वीडियो मतलब हमारे पास शायद आर्काइवल फुटेजेस में होगी भी, हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे उसको ढूंढ के निकालने का, अगर मिल जाता है तो वी विल शो यू।
ऐसी बातें ना बोलो,
शो यू नहीं है, बट आर्काइव में है वो फुटेज। बट what I was saying is, see in the last World Cup, Zimbabwe, they lost to Zimbabwe, went to the final, and that is what Pakistan always does. They have some sort of luck, they have some sort of fate. If you look at this tournament also, Canada have defeated Ireland in the same group, so it is not all gloomy for Pakistan. If they can manage to somehow defeat India, then I think they will be back in the mix. Even if they lose against India, they have a chance to defeat Canada, Ireland, and at least have a stake for the Super 8s. If they lose, it's not a knockout match, but yes, they will again have to be dependent on other teams for favorable results. And I think call it luck, call it fate, call it anything. For Pakistan, it has worked in the past.
Plus the NRR.
Yes, net run
They
rate.
have to very much dependent on the net run rate.
Right. And that is where the selection, I think, has to be spot on. They can't be looking at the pitch, it is swinging, okay, let's play fast bowler. They will have to read the pitch and conditions properly.
Well, Rohit and Shubhayan are not taking Pakistan lightly, but what do Wasim Akram and Harbhajan Singh think about Pakistan's poor form? Take a look.
Tomorrow it's going to be India. I believe that India has got the side. They played here 2 games. But one question यही पूछा था. Your thought? India Pakistan. Cricket in New York. ठीक है. सब कुछ होता है. बड़े-बड़े शहरों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती हैं. So yeah, lovely to have. Cricket and cricketers here. Good to be back in this beautiful city, and we are playing cricket in New York. Never thought, but I wish कि 10 साल पहले हुई होती तो खेलने आ जाता. But great to be back as a commentator now. So looking forward for a very good game tomorrow.
Inshallah. Wasim, what do you think?
I think it's something phenomenal. Getting this game, beautiful game, globalized worldwide, and America is the place. Obviously, the facilities are not there as yet, but this is just the start. And I think this is something very different, something very new. I never would have imagined that we'd be commentating Indo-Pak game, and that too in New York. And New York is a huge, huge city. I've been in the car for the last 2 days, at least in the car for 10 hours. I don't know how you guys live there. I really don't. I'm staying in Long Island, and every time to come to Manhattan takes 2 hours. Doesn't matter what time of the day. So you spend half the life in the car.
Everybody was saying this thing. I said, boss, this is not the great advertisement for cricket in US, right?
Yeah.
You need to have 300 pitches. You can't have 50 runs pitches. Then when Pakistan lost to US and suddenly there was excitement in US, I said, what a great loss.
And you know, Sherry
That's India NRI team.
And those who do even commentary, he said this pitch is a bitch. चुड़ैल की तरह आ गए थे. बल्लेबाजों के ऊपर चिपकी हुई है.
No, but I don't like it watching as a cricket fan as well. Now I don't play anymore. That getting 270 every game, it's not fun. There should be a fair battle between bat and ball. Hence, okay, this is a bit kind of a iffy, dodgy wicket. But again, we'll find out the skill of the batters, how they negotiate that uneven bounce, that swing and seam, okay? It's not 170 wicket, it's 140 wicket, 145 wicket. Yeah. Are you going to bat first? Are you going to chase? So that's the beauty of this game. Getting 270 every game is just boring.
Absolutely. You know, talking about Bhaji's 2011 experience, but Wasim bhai, abhi bhi aerodynamics experts are researching how you got Alan Lamb out in 1992. वो swing आपको समझी थी?
Yeah, actually. अब इतना भी तुक्का नहीं लगता यार. Once in a while तुक्का लग जाता है.
But round the wicket and then normally you would do this, and then one would come inside.
Yeah.
How did you plan that?
I think it was. I remember very. It was like yesterday that because it was the game of the career for me. And for any Pakistani. But this is everybody's critique now. Content makers, I'm all for it. But अगर आपने cricket उस level की नहीं खेली, आप अपना opinion ज़रूर दो as a content maker, but आप वो pressure बता नहीं सकते, वो technique बता नहीं सकते. So, but this is part and parcel of this era. ये लड़के भी जो अब आते हैं उनसे बात भी करो तो बात भी नहीं करते बस यही.
और वैसे ही खेलते भी ऐसे.
So that's what it is now, and it is too much pressure. वो हमारे दौर में एक अखबार था, एक न्यूज़ चैनल था, एक चैनल पाकिस्तान इंडिया में 2-4 होंगे ज़्यादा था. और उसके बाद अगर अखबार नहीं पढ़ा तो पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है. अखबार हम वैसे नहीं थे पढ़ते, so you were fine. But nowadays these guys take everything seriously. अगर he said this, आपने मेरे बारे में ये कहा. I said we are commentators. If you playing shit, what else you want them to say? You know, you gotta speak what it is. Black is black, white is white. So they have to realize this. कि our job is to say whatever is going on, and if it's you're not playing well, you're not playing well. अब मैं नहीं कह सकता कि पाकिस्तान टीम वर्ल्ड कप जीतेगी.
और यूएसए के खिलाफ परफॉर्मेंस के बाद तो
Yeah, but कल वो
नहीं, anything can happen.
कल बड़े खतरनाक थे.
नहीं, और ये भी सोचो कि पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेटर के लिए दिस इज अ डू और डाई सिचुएशन. So what can get out of Naseem? See, at the end of the day, it's one of the most dangerous fast bowling attacks. Whether they bowl well or not is a different issue.
Yeah.
But Naseem Shah, I mean, Mohammad Amir, look at Shaheen Shah Afridi and Haris Rauf. I mean, you can't get a better bowling attack than this at the moment in short format. But whether they'll be able to bowl at the right length, that Wasim Akram can tell us.
I have no idea, man. But I hope so. I hope so. They had the ability. They looked tired, lethargic, not interested. First game of the World Cup, okay, they were inexperienced, but credit to USA, they took control of the game all the way. And I said the other day, they won 2 games that day, the T20 game and the 6 over as well. So yeah, well done to them, and I hope it's a learning, it's not too late for Pakistan. जब पाकिस्तान नहीं होगा सुपर 8 में, ठीक है, वर्ल्ड कप होगा, बट वो अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी, दैट एक्साइटमेंट वो ज़रा चली जाती है वर्ल्ड कप से.
The difference is who plays better, they win the game. That's the only difference.
So why they cry about the wickets then?
It's a human nature. We all cry about different things, na? You must be crying for something.
It's not a flat wicket like it meant to be in T20 format, people. That's why they're complaining a bit. But I like this. I like battle between bat and ball. Yeah.
No, your question is very valid, sir. We have seen T20 format, battles dominating all the time. बेचारे बॉलर मार खाए जा रहे हैं. सेम ये नोकिया फोन नहीं, नोकिया बॉलर वो वहाँ चल नहीं रहा था. अब यहाँ बैटरी पूरी चार्ज करके आया. He came first match 4 wickets, second match 3 wickets. Same bowler but condition makes a big difference, and I believe that बैट बॉल की लड़ाई होनी चाहिए. इनको क्रिकेट का मजा चला जाएगा, है ना, कि अगर बैट ही डोमिनेट करता रहेगा तो देन बॉलिंग मशीन लगेंगे अगली बार तो कि बस इनको ज़्यादा छक्के मारो, दे विल विन whoever hits more.
The final showdown, the biggest rivalry. Shubhayan and Rohit are hanging out around the famous Eden Gardens bell. But what do you think about the matchups when it comes to tonight's match?
पहले ये तो बता दूं कि घंटी दबाएं ज़रूर YouTube.
हाँ, please, if you're watching this video, then please hit the notification bell icon. It is closed right now, but still you do the
The iconic Eden Gardens.
you do the needful. But talking about matchups, I think everyone will be talking about the same thing. Shaheen Shah Afridi with the new ball against Rohit Sharma, against Virat Kohli, 2 right-handers, two of the most not informed but most crucial and experienced players in the playing 11. I think that will be something which I am looking forward to watch with the new ball, especially the way it has been swinging around at the Nassau County. But Jasprit Bumrah, I think Rohit Sharma should give the new ball to Jasprit Bumrah this time around. It is a big game, and let's see whether he can do the damage. Saeem Ayub and Babar Azam, or Saeem Ayub or Mohammad Rizwan. The top 3 will be crucial. If India can manage to get rid of the top 3 as early as possible, then it's game on for the Indian team.
रोहित, आप कौन से मैचअप्स के लिए एक्साइटेड है?
बट जैसे इन्होंने बाबर आजम के लिए कहा, मैं तो चाहूँगा कि बाबर आजम खेले.
हाँ.
बाबर आजम खेलता रहेगा तो हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा.
तभी मजा आएगा ना.
नहीं कंपटीशन नहीं, बाबर आजम का चलना हमारे लिए बेहतर रहने वाला है. मुझे इस विकेट के हिसाब से तो ये लगता है. बाकी इन्होंने पेसर्स की बात की, मैं स्पिनर्स पर जाऊंगा. मुझे ऐसा सुनने में आया है कि दे रियली वांट, दे आर वेरी डेस्परेट टू प्ले इमाद वसीम. इमाद को वो इंजेक्शंस तक दे रहे हैं. उसके बाद इमाद आपको शायद पूरे वर्ल्ड कप में ना दिखे. उसके बाद वो पाकिस्तान लौट आएंगे, लंदन चले जाएंगे, मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ जाएंगे अपने इलाज के लिए, साइड स्ट्रेन के लिए. बट उसामा को उनको फिर देखना पड़ेगा कि किस तरीके से लाना है, क्या करना है.
क्योंकि वो
अबरार के साथ वो चीज़ है ना कि अबरार मतलब ठीक है, अबरार आपको पावर प्ले ऑप्शंस नहीं दे सकता. अबरार के पास बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. अब अबरार मुझे तो कोई बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग चॉइस नहीं लग रही है. बट इंडिया अगेंस्ट एक इमाद, वहाँ से इमाद वसीम वर्सेस इंडियन टॉप ऑर्डर, अगर उस तरीके से अगर वो पहला जैसा कहा कि शाहीन का स्पेल झेल जाते हैं, या फिर शाहीन आमिर या शाहीन नसीम, जिसका भी स्पेल वो झेल जाते हैं, जो भी खेले. और उसके बाद जो दूसरी बड़ी चीज़ होने वाली है, कुलदीप यादव. इन्होंने बुमराह का नाम लिया, मैं कुलदीप यादव का नाम लूँगा, क्योंकि ऑलवेज विद द विकेट्स. कुलदीप यादव ऑलवेज विद द विकेट्स एज फार एज पाकिस्तान इज कंसर्न. तो मेरे ये 2 मैचअप्स हैं जो मुझे लग रहा है. एंड आई रियली वेरी डेस्परेट टू वांट रोहित शर्मा टू परफॉर्म, क्योंकि उनके रन्स बहुत चीज़ें डिक्टेट कर देंगे इस पूरे अगेन मतलब
मैच में भी देख लो,
हाँ पिछले मैच में भी देखो और मतलब अगर ये इन दोनों में से किसी एक का चलना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है यार मेरे लिए तो ये देखना सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि क्योंकि इन्होंने इतनी बड़ी कॉल ली है और वो भी इस पॉइंट पे अपने करियर के जहाँ पर दोनों का उतार है एक तरीके से मतलब आपको पता है कि रोहित शर्मा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2-2.5 साल और विराट कोहली इतनी फिटनेस के बाद भी शायद आप 4 साल और देख सकते हो उन्हें तो वो चीज़ अब आपको अगर नजर आ रही है तो इतना बड़ा कॉल अगर इन्होंने लिया और हो सकता है दोनों का आखिरी T20 वर्ल्ड कप हो कौन जाने क्या पता विराट 2026 खेल जाए इंडिया में ही है बट उस हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज़ें देखनी बहुत दिलचस्प रहने वाली है
एक और मैचअप मैं देखना चाहूँगा कि शादाब खान वर्सेस ऋषभ पंत ये मैं देखना चाहूँगा बहुत मार पड़ेगी मतलब क्योंकि हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कंटिन्यूस कि पाकिस्तान का स्पिन अटैक वीक है और कहीं ना कहीं वो शादाब पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट हो गए इस टाइम पे शादाब वर्सेस ऋषभ पंत तो
इमाद अगर आता है अगर इमाद नहीं आता है तब तो शादाब के ऊपर और जिम्मेदारी आ जाएगी इफ्तिकार के ऊपर और जिम्मेदारी आ जाएगी बट मुझे कोई बता रहा था इंडियन टीम से जुड़ा हुआ शख्स कि रोहित शर्मा मानता ही नहीं है शादाब खान को बॉलर वो जब आते हैं मतलब बॉलर न मानने का मतलब जैसे वीरू कहते थे कि ऑफ स्पिनर्स को मैं बॉलर ही नहीं मानता इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि बस मारे जा रहे हैं कोई ये वाला चीज है ही नहीं स्लॉग ही करूंगा हाँ एक शुरुआत में उन्हें पढ़ने में दिक्कत होती थी लेकिन जैसे ही वीरू ने मुरलीधरन को पढ़ना शुरू करा फिर मुरलीधरन भी मतलब ठीक है रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द मैन बट बहुत बहुत बुरा हाल कर दिया था उन्होंने सो ये चीज़ है बट मुझे नहीं लगता शादाब खान कोई थ्रेट होगा अब देखो एनी गिवन डे कोई कुछ भी कर सकता है भाई वो लेकिन अभी तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है कि शादाब खान कोई थ्रेट होगा
और फाइनल वन वर्ड आंसर दीजिए परफॉर्मर ऑफ द डे कौन होगा
थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है वन वर्ड आंसर मेरे लिए
मैं बोलूँगा ऋषभ पंत
रोहित शर्मा
Oh, क्या बात है. On that note, we'll end the show today. We'll be here before the match, right before the match. So don't forget to tune in. We'll be bringing you updates all day long. So stay tuned to Rev Sports Hindi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also, here's a little package from the USA about all the tight security around the Nassau County Stadium. Take a look.
It's only moments away from that big game, India versus Pakistan at the Nassau County International Stadium. It's packed. It is packed, guys. We've got Indian fans, Pakistani fans. Everyone is tuning in for this big match. We've been following up since several days now. Debashish and myself have been here. Another important factor to mention here, security. There's been security everywhere. There's policemen on bicycles, policemen on cars. There's snipers all around. It's everywhere. It's all packed. Their fans are being screened from a distance away. So this is important, right? I mean, it's a big game. Of course, security is of the highest quality. It has to be. But listen up. You know, we've got a special snippet for you, which you have to watch. It's the Nassau County Executive Bruce Blakeman, along with the police commissioner. So have a look at this and enjoy.
So we are 1/3 of the way through, and as so far, it's been a huge success. You heard from the county executive. There has absolutely been no traffic issues whatsoever. We've been moving over 20,000 people yesterday, got into that stadium, had a great day, watched India win, and then piled back out, went back to their vehicles, and then in a very respectful way, they all pulled out of the Coliseum where they parked. And I'll get back to the train station. So no traffic issues whatsoever. We are moving forward now to some of the largest games. India-Pakistan being the largest, and as you heard from the county executive, is sold out. And then again, the final game on the 12th will be India versus United States, another game that will be at that sold out level. We're continuing to monitor what we do. We're looking at what our partners are sharing information with us. We're looking at the intel. And I got to say that we are really on top of it. The county executive has made sure that every bit of our security has the investment that it needs. We even have Suffolk County PD coming in on the 9th and the 12th to assist us also. We have 3 events that day. We have, of course, the main event at India versus Pakistan. Gates open at 8:30. You arrive anytime at 7 o'clock or after at the Coliseum. You can walk on over or you can take the shuttle bus over. You could take the train, and the train will take the bus from the shuttle at the Westbury train station will take you down, or you can use the ride share. Get dropped at the Coliseum, please, to make it easier on us, and then you can walk on in. We're still requesting that you don't come with a bag. If it's a bag, it's a clear plastic bag. But obviously needs for child care and everything will be addressed, and we'll use some common sense approach, but everything will be checked. That game starts, the game starts at 10:30. 8:30, we're opening the park down here. And it should be a nice parking in the back here at Cedar Creek. We will shuttle you up with the buses. When you come, you can come as the county exec. Bring your beach chair, bring your cooler. Not a problem. But we will be inspecting those items. There will be officers walking throughout the crowd. And as you board the shuttle buses to come down, we'll be checking those bags to make sure everybody has a safe and fun day. And then finally, we also have the practice sessions that continue to go on every day over at Kaniak Park, which again, another part of our security measures. But I will tell you this, is that we have been very successful the first three, but as the county exec made it very clear to me last night, do not rest on that. Make sure that we are focused going forward. We have over 100 extra patrols that are out on patrol on top of our 250 that are out there on a normal day, making sure targets like our houses of worship and our small town business areas and downtown business areas are being covered. Our malls are being covered. We have the investment inside that park with over 300 officers from Nassau County alone, and then assistance from Suffolk County, MTA, New York State, FBI, HSI, Customs and Border. All have been working with us, and our operations for intelligence over at the JOC in the police academy is outstanding. We got cameras on every inch of the property and every pathway that you move to that property. And it's being observed by over 50 people a day watching these cameras. So we're very confident that everybody should come in and have a great, safe day. If you're using mass transit, remember, don't bring that large bag with you. It will not get in, but everything will be searched as it comes in. And again, we hope that you can come out and enjoy the day, and we'll be talking on the 13th in celebration. Thank you.